Hi, welcome back to another step-by-step lesson. This is Kim and I'm really glad you're here. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about quick access on the quick access toolbar. They are kind of two different things, but they will both save you some time and give you quick access to a variety of different things. So I'm going to first show you File Explorer. So you open up Explorer, which is pretty straightforward. Anyways, here we go. So this is the quick access area of Explorer. So these are the things that, the places you go most often, the files that are used most often will automatically show up right here. But you can also pin things to this area. So it's really helpful to put things that you use all the time and you just pin them. So all you do is find the, like let's say I wanted my videos there, you just right mouse click and then you pin right here, pin to quick access. So now that'll always stay there. And that way if I have a long list of things, these will always be here. So obviously your desktop is here, documents, pictures, but you want to put the things that you use the most. So it's easy to pin them. So that's quick access. And most of you know about that already, but I just kind of wanted to show you. The quick access toolbar is up here. So right now I basically have just these three things on the toolbar. But if you click this little down arrow here, you can customize it and put other things on there. So we have properties. Oh, here we go. And a new folder. I'm not really sure what that is. I guess that's maybe the folder for Explorer. Anyway, so if you want more things, you could, like let's say you're constantly renaming things. You could just have that there. So that's rename. So every time you want to rename a folder, you just click on that, and it'll automatically let you. Maybe not. Okay, that's interesting. So rename doesn't really do anything. I'm going to remove it from the toolbar. Okay. But if you want a new folder, you would click on new folder and that would give you a new folder. Oh, it was over here. It doesn't work over here. It works in this area. I get it. Okay. Let's put our rename back. Okay. So then this. So now it's just automatically going to let us call it whatever we want to call it. Okay. So that worked. Okay. So that would let us rename it. We can name it something else. Okay, so that worked. It just won't work over here. It works over here. Okay, anyway, so that's an Explorer. So that's one place that you can use it. Let's use Word. Okay, here we go. So now Word. So same thing. We've got our... another thing I'm not sure anyone is aware of, there's an autosave here. I have it turned off, but if you turn it on, it'll automatically save to your OneDrive. I don't want to use OneDrive, but if you do use OneDrive, you can turn that on. It'll automatically save it for you. This is your save, and right now that's the only thing in my quick arrow. My quick just undo and redo for some reason are grayed out. So anyways, click here on this little down arrow. So we have automatically saves up there. Like let's say I don't want that, so we'll get rid of that. So then here I've got save. I can open. I can do a new. So there's new. There's open. So that's weird. You can hardly see these. They're there though. This is undo and redo. What else we got on here? We have a quick print. That's a good one to have up there. So that way when you're doing a document, you don't have to go file new. You don't have to go file the new. You don't have to go up to the printer or hit Control P. You could just click here to print. So each of these little things maybe only saves you a few seconds, but if you add them up, that could save you a lot of time. So anyways, so I want to show you something else here. So this is not all there is. In Word, there's a lot of commands. So if you click on more commands, you'll see them all. Look at all these. So right now we have save, undo, redo, new file, open, and quick print. Okay, so that's what we have right now. But let's say, I don't know, what else could we put in here? Let's say we do a lot of footnotes. So we want footnotes. So you just highlight it and you click add. And so then footnotes are going to be over there. If you wanted to do, here's read aloud. Let's say you use that a lot. You could just click add, it'll read aloud. Then you could click on that to read. So if let's say you don't want, I don't want footnote, you just click remove. And then it's not there. So then when you click OK, here's our stuff that we added. So Word has a lot of functions. That's why that had the more options. But the Outlook doesn't have as many. Okay, so that was Word. Those are the ones that we added. Let's go ahead and do Excel. Okay, here's Excel. So we have the autosave again. Then we have save, we have undo, and redo. So let's click down here. I don't want that automatically save thing, so we got rid of that. Here again, we have same kind of things: print, email, print preview, spelling. Here's the more commands. There's also a lot in Excel, so you can pick if there's something that you do a lot that you really want. I don't know, let's say you use sum all the time. Click sum, add. So that'll be up there all the time. Print again. If you want pivot table over there, whatever. It'll put it all up at the top for you. So that way you don't have to go searching for it. Or especially if it's something where you don't remember where it is. You're like, oh gosh, I'm always looking for this. Where is it? You can just put it up there. It just makes it easier. Okay, so when you click OK, then there they are. And like I said, if you want to get rid of them, just go right back in here, more commands. Remove, let's say I don't want some anymore, remove. And then as soon as you press OK, they're gone. So that's the Quick Access Toolbar. I mean, like I said, these settings may only save you a few seconds at a time, a couple steps with your mouse, but over the course of a whole day, maybe save you 5 minutes. I don't know. And if you worked 5 days a week, that's 25 minutes over a week, 1,300 minutes over the course of a whole year. That's over 21 hours of time you'll get back just by saving those few seconds. So, yeah, it's worth it. I think so anyways. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.